Hey folks, George Kramer, Village Blacksmith, sharing a project we just completed. We're in the final stages of the finishing. This is a 17-foot sign by about 6 foot tall, and it will have a rusted finish. And what we're doing right now is using hydrogen peroxide to chemically initiate the rusting process. This is called a weathering steel, and once it rusts, it protects the metal from further corrosion. So watch how quick this works. Now I want to keep a little bit of space in between the little droplets, but that's almost instantly rusting. Now we screwed up the first time because we made a mistake and put it into a clear bottle, and the ultraviolet light neutralizes it, basically turns it back into water. That's why all hydrogen peroxide bottles are brown, and it's just crazy how fast this works. And this process right here will probably work even better at night when the sun goes down, because there is a minimal exposure to sunlight. But yeah, it's a light rust layer. It's just going to initiate the rusting process, but once it rusts, it'll have one nice even uniform kind of rust color, and that'll protect it from future rusting. They build a lot of bridges and stuff with this steel because they don't have to maintain it as far as painting, and it lasts quite a long time. It'll outlast the life of a bridge replacement. But it's just a interesting process here with a little bit of chemistry. Any chemist out there, feel free to weigh in. Love to hear your official explanation of how this is operating. But I'll step back for a second so you guys can see the sign in its entirety. But yeah, it's going to be pretty cool when it rusts. It's going to take a while to get a nice uniform sheen on it, but yeah, there you have it, folks. Weathering steel, and I hate paint. If anybody knows me, I hate paint, so I'd rather it be rusty than paint. And so even standing too far away from the spray will actually neutralize it. So you got to stand kind of close. And so if I spray it with my shadow, it'll help probably. Actually, it's rusting a little bit more in the shadow because the light's not directly hitting it. Interesting. Just thought you guys like to see that. Take it easy.